Hi, it's Andrew again, and this time I'm going to be talking to you about a product from CZKBG, and it's their YL03 jump starter, but it's much more than just that. It's a battery brick. It is a jump start for your car. It also has an air compressor, so if you have a low tire or you need to fill up a spare, that sort of thing, it does that as well, and it's very powerful. You'll notice that it's got a really nice LCD on the top, and I'm just kind of showing you an unboxing right now to show you what all comes with it. But some of the highlights are the fact that it is 3,500 amps and it has a force start function, so you can instantly start stranded vehicles with all the way up to a 10-liter diesel engine, even if they're completely drained or very low voltage, like in really cold weather. I believe down to -4 Fahrenheit is what they state. I also wanted to mention that they state that it will recharge up to 1,500 times full charge. And as you can see here on the LCD, there are different measurement types. You know, I'm using PSI. You can set it wherever you want. So right there, I set it for 36. And as you also notice, there are different functions for the light. So you can use it as a flashlight to light up your tire while you're in a dark situation, or even under the hood if you need to connect this, like the jumper cables here. Also, keep in mind this will fill up a tire to 150 psi, so even some of the small donut tires that come with cars that have really high psi ratings, this will accommodate you. And the other thing really nice here is I'm showing you is the case that it comes in. It's really, really compact and well made. And I almost forgot to mention that it will charge your phone too. And here's just a quick overview of how it looks and sounds while filling up your tire. I timed it. My tires were down to 27 pounds and I would needed to fill them to 36. And I did all 4 tires, and with no problems. It heated up a little bit, but that was to be expected. And it took about 40 seconds per pound, if that gives you any idea. I also only lost 1 bar of 4 on the battery gauge. I actually bought 2 of these. This was not sent to me, so I can highly recommend a CZKBG YL03 if you're in the market.